In 2023, Google made over $60 billion in profit, but they still fired 12,000 workers. 12,000. That's not because of AI. That's because of greed. They didn't run out of money. They just wanted more. While they tell you AI will take your job, they're quietly firing teams, cutting costs, and padding profits. They automate one thing, then cut 10 jobs. They blame AI. But the decision came from boardrooms, not robots. Now think about startups. Google has crushed or copied hundreds of small apps. Add a cool idea? Chances are, Google will build a clone. They'll rank their version higher. And yours? Buried. Dead. So who's killing jobs in startups? Not AI, not automation. It's Google. But here's the good news. You don't need them. You don't need to beg for a job. You don't even need to code. Welcome to JobOnAI, a platform with thousands of digital products and SaaS tools, like AI interview takers, CV makers, embeddable AI agents, sales chatbots, automation bots, and more. You promote them. You earn 50% profit, or 90% if you're on our $5 plan. No upfront investment, no tech background, no wasted time. Just ready-to-sell tools. You promote, you profit. We handle everything else. JobOnAI, we're not taking jobs, we're giving them.